It's a 2018 Audi A5 Coupe. Every double take this A5 gets is a testament to its adventurous spirit, and 2018 marks a full redesign while keeping all the fun. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Wireless audio streaming, front heated leather bucket seats, memory exterior door mirror settings, express open and closed tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and refrigerated box located in the glove box. A dual threat and inspiring performance and passionate design, it'll elevate your driving experience. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.